Morning, John Neal here. It is Sunday, the 11th of August 2024, and I'm wandering into Nuneaton town centre because we appear to have some sort of arts festival going on, and by sheer coincidence here's the poster for it. And what's your name?
Alicia.
Alicia.
So all the lorries are mine.
What's GRIT stand for?
GRIT, well,
It's got to be an acronym for
it's
something.
not an acronym, no. So, you know, Nuneaton's heritage is based from anything that comes out of the earth. A bit dirty, you need a bit of grit to be an artist in this town.
I've got you. Okay.
I'm just going to eat this because I might pass out.
You don't want that.
I'm going to have a cup of tea.
That's more than enough, thank
and
you.
then I'll be with you in about 20 minutes. Is that
Right,
all
I'll be around and about, see what's going on. Thank you very much.
Yeah, no, really, when you sent me the everything through, it was like brilliant.
I'm fascinated the way these visual arts have come into the world, really. You know, from the sort of obscurity of illegality,
Yes.
you know, the graffiti and all this, the stuff around it, and this on your wagon here. Absolutely wonderful.
Oh, it's absolutely brilliant. Absolutely brilliant idea.
Yeah.
And it's different. It's something different.
Yeah,
You know, it's not just the boring side of a lorry.
Yeah.
When realistically, we should be looking at them as a billboard, whether obviously it's always
Sure,
advertising.
yeah.
But why not something different?
You picked one like my size.
Can you hear you out there? If you wear a green cup today and
Hello. Are you sure?
Yeah. You sure it's all right?
Yeah, because nobody's ever.
Right, Wing, and you. See you later.
Hello
there.
Hi.
Hello.
Can I ask you what this stall is all about?
Well, Art Alert. There you go.
Oh,
Be self-explanatory.
we all like a leaflet.
You like a leaflet?
Yeah.
Have we got any? Oh yeah. And
Exhibition.
there's an exhibition on now at the Station Gallery
I know it. Yeah.
relating to the to this. So we're all members of Art Alert, which is a community group of people who either do art, like talking about art. You know, it's very open.
Sound a bit arty to me.
Yeah. So we've got art here for sale, and there's art there also. And we've also been commissioned to transform the benches.
All right.
So
yeah.
they're all part of our...
I'll have a look at that.
Yeah.
So what's your name?
My name's Anne Taylor, but I'm not on the committee.
Oh,
now.
no. I don't mind who I talk
So
to.
I'm not speaking. I'm not officially speaking for the group.
No, what you said is fine.
Yeah. Excellent.
Lovely, thank you. And what you do, and what you do down there.
Wow, yeah, well, we are Dauntless Evolution. We are a physical theatre company, and we are putting on a show September the 5th, 6th and 7th.
Yeah.
And this right here is our, you could call it like a halfway point for us. We've kind of built the show. It's very, I guess, a generalized version of it. We're still going to put all the details and all the lights and all the sounds and everything in the finished project. But yeah, we're here, enjoying the day, going to show Nuneaton what physical theatre really is.
Yeah, good. So what's your name?
My name's Lewis.
And what's your name?
Kibi.
Kibi. What else? Can you give me more detail about what's in the show?
In the show, so it's a story about someone living in our world who's maybe lost hope, and it's about reconnecting with like what really matters and searching for hope maybe elsewhere.
Excellent. Yeah. Be interesting. Your name?
Charlie.
Charlie.
Yeah.
You had anything to that, or she says a lot?
We've been taking a lot of inspiration from Greek mythology.
All right, yeah.
And the story of Pandora and Pandora's box.
Yeah.
And using that as a sort of allegory for, you know, the situation in the world at the moment and the difficulties we're facing, and we're looking for hope in the world, and like, you know, in the face of quite difficult challenges, that we're all looking for hope.
What I want to know is, have you got some social media places, Facebook?
Yeah,
Instagram?
we do.
What
Dauntless Evolution on Instagram, Facebook, I think TikTok as well.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can find us all there.
Yeah, because people watching this will think, oh, you know, that sounds great. Let me find out a bit more.
Yeah, well, we've got flyers all, somewhere around.
I've got a pocket full of flyers already. I've only walked down this far. Have you got one?
Well, good morning and welcome to Art on the Streets of Nuneaton.
I'll have to start navigating.
Oh, everywhere we go in the summer heat, you're always there, rising for me. Oh, girl, where have you been? But when the rain clouds come to stop that fun, you show us a smile, you bring back the sun. Oh, girl, you're everything.
Here is the astounding artwork outside the Debenhams building, which is now empty. And I'm not going to call these fellas, and there's a lady around the corner by the way, graffiti artists, because they're just artists. Their work is fantastic. Can I watch what you're doing?
So this is a metal frame I've made up. So just weaving around the outside, and then the inside is going to be fully weaved. It's going to go on the wall in the frames.
Right.
So if you fancy having a go up, then a few sticks in, you are welcome to do so.
You got a connection with Saints?
Yes. So when they started up, I got involved. So I've got a store in there that's selling baskets and things like that. And every month I do a workshop there. So 1 month it's a morning one, making dragonflies or bird feeders or something.
Yeah.
And then the next month is a full-day one, like doing basket weaving.
Yeah. So we do get asked about that sort of thing. But we're historical.
And I'm like,
I'll get there.
You've got two handles on your mug.
I do. It's called a TIG, and the practicality is that I can pass it to you and you could take it with the other handle.
Yeah.
They should make two-handled mugs today, I think. Brilliant.
So what are these little triangular things?
Right, these are needle and pin cases. So these would be used by medieval women to keep their needles and pins. They had a very elaborate hairdo or a hat on, they would have it pinned in place. Those pins might come out, they're quite decorative, might be something special or fancy, might even have same precious stones in. But if you're a servant, you might carry one of these around for your master or mistress, so you could do running repairs. The pins and needles would be pointing to the centre, and then through compression they're pulled up into the box by pulling the cord. Would hang from the belt.
And there you go.
Keeps them from being lost, and they're all where you need them at the right place. It's a great chance to have at this Arts in the Street event. Museum with a connection to the past. It's
absolutely.
So old.
Yeah, I love it. Yeah. Think of Dominic Cummings. Well, there you have it. Grit in Nuneaton in August 2024. Yeah, very, very good. I really enjoyed that. I'm glad to see there's some money being put into it, because some of these things are expensive to do, and it's whoever's financed it, that's a good move. And some interesting things. I don't think they've done this before, and there may be one or two tweaks, because the sound from some of the groups or the speakers is very loud, travels around a lot, so other people couldn't function close to. But yeah, very interesting. I enjoyed that, enjoyed talking to some of the people, and hope you enjoyed watching. So excellent. You'll see me next time. Okay, bye bye then.